Welcome to this Frontdesk tutorial. In this video, I'll walk you through how to configure the PayMongo payment setup and how members can process their payments using cards and e-wallets. Before the members can use PayMongo as a payment method, the owner must first complete the PayMongo setup. To begin, go to the Accounts module, navigate to Settings tab. From there, locate the payment setup and click View. This is where you will input your PayMongo secret keys. So, where to get the secret keys? You'll see a banner here with instructions. So, first is that you need to create a PayMongo account. If you already have one, simply log in. So, once you are logged in, go to the developer's module, copy the secret key, and paste it into the live secret key field here in Frontdesk. Below that, you'll see an option to make the secret key visible or editable for managers. So if needed, simply toggle this setting to enable it. Once everything is set, click Save. Then toggle the Enable and Live to activate the PayMongo payment method. Now that the PayMongo is enabled, members can pay using cards and e-wallets. Let me show you how the payment process works from the member's perspective. In this example, we will have a member with pending invoices. So the member will log in to their account. Then navigate to Invoices module, where they can view their pending invoices. Let's select an invoice and click Pay via PayMongo. First, let's try paying using a card. So billing details here will be automatically populated based on the member's information. Click Continue. Select Card as payment method. So when you select Card as payment method, a new section called Card Details here will appear. And click Continue. Enter the card number, CVV, and expiry date, then click Submit. Once you click Submit, that will complete the process for card payments. Next, let's look at paying using the Maya e-wallet. Again, select an invoice. Click Pay via PayMongo. Since the billing details are already populated, click Continue, select Maya, and click Submit. The member will be redirected to log in their Maya account. Just follow the additional steps from Maya and verify the payment. Once verified, the payment process for Maya will be completed. And that's how you set up the PayMongo payment method and how the members can pay using cards and e-wallets in Frontdesk. If you have any questions, feel free to send us a message. Thank you.